Today, we are learning about another important part of English. It is called a verb. But what is a verb? Who can tell me?
Sir, is a verb an action word?
Yes, Sarah. A verb is a word that tells us about an action or what someone or something does.
Like run?
Exactly. Run is a verb. Walk, clap, and jump are all verbs because they show actions. Everyone, show me an action.
Let's clap. Now jump. Let's wave. And walk.
Wonderful. Clap, wave, and walk are verbs because they show actions. We use verbs every day. We eat, drink, read, and write. Look at this sentence. Sarah reads a book. Sarah, which word is the verb?
Reads.
Correct. Reads is the verb because it tells us what Sarah does.
Sir, does every sentence have a verb?
Good question, Paul. Most simple sentences we use have a verb. The verb tells us what happens or what someone is. Look at Paul. Paul asks questions. What is the verb?
Asks.
Grace draws a picture. What does Grace do?
She draws.
Verbs can also tell us what animals do. A dog can run, bark, and jump.
Sir, can a cat have a verb too?
Of course. A cat can sleep, walk, and drink. Those words are verbs. Even things can do things. A door can open and close. Now, let's talk about actions happening now. Look around you. What are you doing?
I am listening.
I am sitting.
I am standing.
I am writing.
Played tells us that the action happened before now. We can also talk about what we will do later. Tomorrow, I will play. Some verbs help us describe someone. Sarah is happy. We use are with more than one person. The students are happy. With I, we use am. I am happy. I am learning. Let's look at some sentences. Pay close attention to each of them. Class, find the verbs. Remember, verbs tell us about actions or what happens. Run, eat, write.
Are verbs.